City Farm.
Hi, I'm Ella. Tonight is the Moon Festival. Isn't the moon amazing? Look how bright it is.
Light up the lanterns, they're glowing so bright. All around the farm in the soft moonlight.
Friends, family, and animals too gather round to celebrate the moon. Moon, oh moon, shining in the night, lighting up the sky above. Moon, oh moon, shining in the night, lighting up the sky above. Moon, oh moon. Sweet mooncakes,
A treat for you and me.
While the stars are twinkling,
Wow, look up and see. Aww. I wish we could do something really special for the moon. I have an idea. Thank you, shining moon. We're celebrating you. Every single night, we all look up at you.
moon, oh moon, shining in the night, lighting up the sky above. Moon, oh moon, shining in the night, lighting up the sky above. Moon, oh moon.
Let's play today. Use our ears in a special way. Listen up, search around for different animal sounds.
I hear with my little ear something kind of loud.
Oink, oink, oink.
Hey, it's a piggy snout. He rolls around in a big mud bath.
Oink, oink, oink.
He makes us laugh.
Oink, oink, oink goes the pig.
I hear with my little ears something near that tree.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Hey, it's Bumblebee. He drinks nectar from a flower now.
Buzz, buzz,
It's
buzz.
such a funny sound. Buzz, buzz, buzz goes the bee. I hear with my little ear something going back and forth.
Swish, swish, swish.
Hey, it's Heidi the horse. She swings her tail from side to side.
Swish, swish, swish. From left to right.
Swish, swish, swish goes the horse.
I hear with my little ear.
A new sound, what is that?
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Hey, it's Go-Go the cat. She's sharpening her kitten claws.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Go a little pause.
Scratch, scratch, scratch goes the cat. I hear with my little ear something strange and new.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
It's Letty eating food. She slurps spaghetti from a bowl.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
Now we know that slurp, slurp, slurp goes the lamb. We played a game and we learned some sounds today. We listened up, searched around for different animal sounds. So many sounds for you and me here on Lellobee.